Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're starting inside YouTube. Sign into the specific account and go straight to your profile icon. Once there, tap Settings then Notifications to access the controls. This is the first actionable screen where global and subscription notification types live together. Make sure mobile OS notifications aren't locked down first, then proceed to review the main switches. All, personalized, and none. From here, you'll turn off broad sources before adjusting per channel options. So begin by locating those primary toggles now. Now focus on the middle steps. Change the global YouTube notification preference to none or a minimal personalized setting to cut most alerts. After that, go into any channel you subscribe to and tap the bell. Select none to stop push alerts from that channel. Also check email and SMS sections in the same menu and uncheck the types you don't want. These combined actions stop both broad and subscription-level notifications, so work methodically through each channel you follow. Finish by verifying device-level app permissions. Open iOS or Android settings and ensure YouTube notifications are allowed or blocked as you prefer. Once done, restart the app or reboot the device to apply changes. That clears cached notification behavior. If alerts continue, re-log into YouTube and recheck channel bell statuses. Updates or account sync issues sometimes flip settings. One troubleshooting tip: clear app cache or update the app. If persistent, temporarily disable notifications at the OS level until the root cause is resolved.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.